Hey, Will here, Site Pro Home Inspections, doing a phase inspection. We're doing pre-drywall, so we're catching everything before it all gets covered up. This here is the guest bathroom. You're checking for striker plates, protect your lines. They did good on that. Come to the back side of the toilet behind the wall. Oh, supply lines are not secure. It just has this boop, 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 boop. We have sitting water, so plumbing could be leaking. I'm not sure. We'd have to ask about that. And to flip you around, we have Houdini going on.